Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best wall groove cutters on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the electric wall groove cutting machine Wall Chaser Concrete Cutter 110V. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The electric wall groove cutting machine is a versatile tool designed for efficient wall grooving and concrete cutting. With a 110V motor, it delivers powerful performance, ideal for creating precise channels in walls for electrical wiring or plumbing. The adjustable blade design allows for customizable cutting widths between 1 to 3.5 centimeters, ensuring flexibility for different project needs. This machine is equipped with an infrared positioning system, enhancing accuracy and making it easier to follow straight lines. Its ergonomic handle and compact design ensure user comfort during extended use. Additionally, the integrated dust extraction port keeps the workspace clean, improving visibility and reducing cleanup time. Built with durable materials, the Wall Chaser is reliable for both professional and DIY projects. Its straightforward operation and safety features, such as overload protection, make it an excellent choice for tackling tough jobs while maintaining precision and control. Number 2 is Wall Line Cutter Wire Slotting Marble Concrete Cutting Machine. The Wall Line Cutter Wire Slotting Machine is a powerful tool designed for efficient cutting in marble, concrete, and walls. Ideal for creating slots for electrical wiring or plumbing, it features an adjustable cutting depth of up to 42 mm, providing flexibility for various construction needs. The machine's dual-blade design ensures clean, precise cuts, reducing manual effort and saving time. Equipped with a 4000W motor, this cutter delivers high performance, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Its ergonomic handle design enhances user comfort, while the built-in dust extraction port helps maintain a clean working area, improving visibility during operation. Durability is a key feature of this machine, as it is made from high-quality materials to withstand demanding tasks. Easy to operate and efficient, it is a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts handling challenging cutting jobs. And to finish, the first position goes to the StreamPower US Wall Chaser Cutting Machine Wall. The StreamPower US Wall Chaser Cutting Machine is a reliable tool for creating precise grooves in concrete, brick, and walls. Powered by a robust 4000W motor, it ensures efficient cutting performance for electrical or plumbing installations. The adjustable cutting width and depth provide flexibility, accommodating various project requirements. This machine features an infrared sighting system for improved cutting accuracy and a built-in dust extraction port to maintain a cleaner workspace. Its ergonomic handle design ensures user comfort during extended use, making it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 wall groove cutters that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.